Today we are going to start a wonderful lesson, that is lesson number 1, class 9 social, lesson number 1, our earth. So before knowing about our earth, let us start with a beautiful information regarding space. See, the evolution of the space, or space is nothing but universe. Universe means what? What is meant by universe? The millions of galaxies together, called what it is known as universe or space. Okay. Next, then here we have understood that galaxy. The new term has come, galaxies. Galaxy. Then what is meant by galaxy? Galaxy means the billions of stars together is known as a galaxy. Over. So new word will come. What is it? Asteroids. Asteroids means what? The tiny star bodies, the broken, somewhere that planets will become broken. Okay. So that broken bodies are revolving around the planets, okay, especially Mars and Jupiter. Okay, that two planets, they are, okay, they have their own asteroids are moving like that. What is meant by meteoroids? Generally we will get this type of terms in the geography. So let me to introduce these words. Meteoroids means what? These are also the broken pieces of planets like that. See, meteoroids, the small pieces of rocks, moving around the sun. These are known as what? Meteoroids. Okay. Next, how many rays are bigger our sun rather than our earth? See here, the sun is bigger than our earth, 1.3 million rays. 1 million equals to 10 lakhs. Imagine. See here, the sun is bigger than, okay, 1.3 million rays. Okay. Next, the distance from the sun. The distance from the sun is 147.3 million. Okay, 1.3 million. Okay, million rays. Million kilometers it is. Okay, million kilometers. Okay, so it is known as what? The shortest distance. It is this is the shortest distance from the sun to earth. What is that? It is called as what? Perihelion. That perihelion will occur in the month of January 3rd. January 3rd is perihelion is occurring. Okay, next one is the longest distance from the sun. The longest distance from the sun to the earth is how many kilometers will be? 152 million kilometers on that. Okay, 152 million kilometers. This situation is called as what? Aphelion. This situation is called as what? Aphelion. Aphelions are taking place in the month of July 4th. Okay, July 4th. Okay, so July 4th is the special day of occurring of aphelion. Aphelion means what? The longest position from sun to the earth. How many kilometers are there? 152 kilometers. The shortest position from the sun to the earth. Suppose you just see here, I would like to write here simple diagram. So sun will be somewhere so far away. That earth is so far away. This position is called as what? Okay, aphelion position. How many kilometers will be there? 152 kilometers are there. It is occurring on where? In the month of July 4. In the month of 152 million. Okay, 152 million square kilometers. It is occurring in the month of July 4th. In the month of July 4th. Well, this is called as what? Aphelion position. It is called as what? Aphelion positions. So it is called as what? Aphelion position. So the very nearest position to the sun is known as the perihelion position. This is when it is happening in the month of January 3rd. Okay. So now let me write here. So this is what the nearest position. This is what Earth. Okay. So how many kilometers we could see here? 140, 140, 143, 147.3 million square kilometers. Million square kilometers. Okay. Yeah, good evening. Now we are continuing regarding this topic is our Earth. Lesson number 1, our Earth. See, now we are going to know about the evolution of the Earth. Now we are going to know about the evolution of the Earth. Okay. So, see, evolution of the Earth is just evolution of before knowing about the evolution of the Earth, we have to know about the evolution of the space. That is hypothesis. Hypothesis means what? The meaning of hypothesis is nothing but the imaginations. Among them, first of all, here geocentric theory. See, geocentric theory, it is a imagination in what ways the planets and the solar system were formed. Okay, so this is a theory was brought by Ptolemy, a great geologist, one who born in Greek. Okay, he is from BC period, okay, 149 period. At that time, what he proposed that, okay, entire that, even sun and all the planets, they are revolving around they are revolving around the Earth. How he imagined, because of there is no telescope at all at that time. Okay, what he decided, in what ways he proposed his theory, because he observed that when the morning he is observing, the morning sunrise is taking place east, and the evening the sunset is taking place in west. So that he decided that, okay, this is what Earth, okay, next sun, okay, next Mercury, like that. All planets, they are revolving around the sun, around the Earth only. So this theory is true? No, it is untruth. Okay, this is untruth. So this is what? So geocentric theory was proposed by Ptolemy. Of course, but he don't have that type of equipment. Telescope, still it was at the time there is no technology at all. But the greatness is that he imagined the solar system, that we can appreciate Ptolemy. Okay, and next one is heliocentric theory. So heliocentric theory was proposed by Copernicus. He is belonging, his period is 1549. Imagine, see, the modern age began just. So at that time already telescope was discovered. By using of the telescope, that telescope, he was proposed heliocentric theory. Then what is meant by heliocentric theory? Helio means the sun. The sun-centered theory is known as heliocentric theory. Okay. Now at present, we know this one. So first sun will be, okay. Sun will be, okay. Sun after Mercury will be, okay. Next Venus will be, next Earth will be. So likewise, all planets are there. So how they are moving? They are moving in their own orbits. They are moving in their own orbits is known as what? Say. So this is called as what? Solar system. At the same time, the last planet of this one here, we have to understand that one. See, Mercury, Venus, Earth. Next one Mars. Next one Jupiter. Next one Saturn. Next one Uranus. Next Pluto. Now let me tell about a little information regarding Pluto. Pluto is recognizing as a mad planet. So we are not recognizing as a Pluto as a planet because of it is out of our our coverage. Now sun, you see, every planet is there moving around their orbit, but Pluto is somewhere it is coming, somewhere moving. So that's why it is acting like a mad fellow. So that is why we are recognizing that planet as a mad planet. That is over. Now next come to Big Bang theory. What tells about Big Bang theory? What says Big Bang theory? Now focus here. So this theory was brought by Charles Abbe Limiter. Charles Abbe Limiter. Okay, Charles Abbe Limiter. So now Big Bang theory. Okay. 1920, year of 1920, Charles C-H-E-R and yes, Charles Abbe. Okay, Abbe Limiter. What he proposed? In the year of 13.7 million year ago, 13.7 million, okay, 13.7 million year ago, okay, what happened? A great blast was took place in space like that. See, 13.2 million, 1 million equals to 10 lakhs, okay, 13.2 million year ago. See, this space, imagine, not this the space just like it was like a big mass. It contained of hydrogen, okay, hydrogen. Next one, helium is there. So when these two gases together collided, that chemical reaction leads to form temperature. So they were moving, colliding. That leads to a lot of temperature. One fine evening, it became burst. A big blast was took place. Due to this blast, enter the matter. You just imagine if a bomb is blasted, what you have to see? Sound will come, dust particles, okay, fog, rocks, piece of rocks, and these type of things will. You can see the same direction, the same way. This big mass, this big bomb was blasted. Due to this blasting, due to this force, okay, all the matters were spread into space, and they, after million years, they become freeze and they started rotating. So they started rotating. So is it not stars? Is it not planets? So in this way, according to theory of Big Bang, in this way all the universe were formed. This theory was brought by whom? Charles Abbe Limiter. Now we focus. Next one is continental drift theory. Continental drift theory. 220 million year ago. 220 million year ago. This one is brought by Charles Abbe Limiter. Sorry, this theory was brought by Alfred Wegener. Who is this? Alfred Wegener. According to his theory, how the earth was formed. Before this one, we have seen about Big Bang theory. Big Bang theory tells about what, how the space was formed. Now his theory tells about how the earth was, how the continents were formed. Now focus here. According to his theory, 220 million years ago, this big mass, mass was called as a Pangea. It is called as what? Pangea. Okay, this big mass called as what? Pangea. The north part of Pangea is called as Laurentia. Okay, Laurentia. The southern part of this Pangea is called as what? Gondwana. So Pangea, the big mass is called as what? Pangea. The north part of Pangea is called as what? Laurentia, the southern part of the Gondwana land, the southern part of India is called as what? Gondwana. In meanwhile, here somewhere Tethys Sea is there. What is that land? Tethys Sea. What is that land? Tethys Sea is also is there. So what happened due to earth movement? Earth is, see here, earth contain of two axes will be, one is rotate and one more is revolute around the sun. So due to this earth movement, and see here due to this earth movement, and one more movement you can see here. See here around this one, this big mass continent, it contain of one sea is there, one ocean is there, that is called as what? Pentalasa. Okay, Pentalasa. So this Pentalasa, okay, around this one Pentalasa ocean is there. So earth was moving like this, okay, revoluting, rotating like this, and as well as due to how, now we are discussing about how this big mass was broken into pieces. That is our task now. We are going to evaluate that one, how these continents were existed right now. See, because he told that Alfred Wegener is saying that a big mass continent was there when 220 million years ago. He named that the parts of that one. What are they? The north part is Laurentian, the southern part is Gondwana. Okay, and here a great sea is there. One is a great ocean is there. That is called what? Pentalasa ocean is there. So when these things are taking place, okay, due to earth force, when it is revoluting, okay, these big mass was broken into pieces, and they were formed as how they are existing like that. The north part is what is that? America, North America, South America, Africa, Australia, Asia. Okay, likewise all these continents are formed. This is the theory of what is that? Alfred Wegener Pangea. What is that? This theory is known as what? Continental drift theory. This is called as what? Continental drift theory. Before this one, what we have read about that one? See, Big Bang theory. Big Bang theory. Okay, Big Bang theory what told us about how the space and stars and galaxies were formed. That one told. Okay, what is that? Big Bang theory. This is what continental drift theory. What continental drift theory is forming? What continental drift theory is telling to us? What is that? How the 7 continents are originated. That is the story of continental drift theory. Okay, Namana? So this is about the continental drift theory. Next concept we are going to know about the internal structure of the earth. So now see, this is what first one and second one. Okay, so first this is what crust, crust, crust. Next one is mantle. Next one is what? Core. Okay, so now we are going to write a box item also. Now we are going to write a box items also. Minerals. Okay, minerals. And next one is layers. First one is crust. Next one is mantle. Next one is core. Now look at here. See what is that here? Minerals. What we see here? See here, crust. The earth, the shape of the earth. See, look at here. This is the shape of the earth. It contains of, first of all, what is that? Crust is there. Crust contains of how many kilometers are there? 0 to 100 kilometers are there. Okay, 0 to 100 kilometers are there. See, 0 to 100 kilometers. So in this, what are they? What are the minerals we are getting? Sial. Okay, Sial, SiAl. Okay, Sial, silica plus aluminium. Okay, silica plus aluminium. Next, mantle. Mantle what? Which material? Next, SEMA. Mantle. Which material? Minerals we are getting here? Silica plus magnesium. Okay, silica plus magnesium. And next one, core. Core we are getting here gold. So these are the layers. See, earth layers. We are going to get this type of minerals over there. Just focus here. Simple. Earth contain of how onions are there. How if you take onions, the layers are there. The earth also contain of some layers are there. They have their own. Even depth kilometers are also are there. 0 to 100, that is called as what? Crust. Next one, 100 to 2900 kilometers. Mantle is there, and 29 to 6000. Okay, 6000 above kilometers core. Core is giving gold for us. You have to focus here. And see, first crust layer we are getting what? Cr. Cr means what? Silica and aluminium. And mantle is giving what we are getting here? Silica and magnesium. And core we are getting what is that? Gold. So these are the materials which we are getting from internal structure of the earth. Now next topic is the latitudes and longitudinal concepts. Okay, thank you.